Hello, everyone. Welcome to our What's New series for Microsoft Dynamics GP 2018. I'm Gina Chettle, and I'm a senior consultant with the Knaster Technology Group. In this video, I will show you 3 of the many exciting new features for GP 2018. We will talk about a more comprehensive document attachment functionality in GP, some new exciting sorting options under receivables and payables inquiry windows, and additional features in workflow. Let's start with the document attachment. More windows are now added to allow for documents to be attached and viewed from GP. Inquiry windows now can view and modify attachments. There is a new drill back capability on the Edit Payables transaction window. Let's take a look at our GP screens here. As a reminder, make sure to mark the Allow Document Attachments checkbox on the Document Attachment Setup window to activate this feature in GP. There is also a new checkbox or option to allow attachments to be added in inquiry windows. So the additional window where they have added a document attachment icon is on the receivables transaction entry screen. So here you would see the attach button that you can attach a document to. So for example, if I'm selecting an invoice or entering an invoice, you could just click on the attach button, and here you could attach a document as well as preview it once it's attached. The next window that they've added the document attach feature is on the general ledger transaction entry screen. So here you could see that icon as well. I've also added some new features for document attachment inquiry. So if you click on this employee inquiry screens, and I would just select one of my employees, you can see there is now an icon for document attach. This is flowing through from the employee maintenance window. These are the additional windows that they've added the document attachment feature, such as the receivables transaction entry, the journal entry, employee inquiries, fixed assets, vendors, customer inquiries, even projects, as well as the PA project inquiry screen. Next new feature is an exciting one. New sorting options are added on the receivables transaction inquiry screens, as well as the payables transaction inquiry screens. There's also an additional sorting options in the bank reconciliation window. Let's go check it out. I will open the receivables transaction inquiry by customer window and just select one of my customers, Aaron Fitz. Here you will see sort of like in the middle of the screen, there's a new sort by option. You can now sort the documents for this customer by type, by document number, by document amount, the amount remaining, and document date. Once you select the option, for example, I'm going to sort it by document amount, I can also choose to sort it by ascending or descending order. This just makes it a lot easier to find information or documents for this customer. This sort by option is also available on the receivables transaction inquiry by document. What about in payables? Let's take a look at the payables transaction inquiry by vendor. I'm just going to select one of my vendors. There's a sort by option, by document number, by type, originating or original amount, unapplied amount, and by document date. same ascending or descending order is available. And again, it's available as well on the payables transaction inquiry by document. On the bank reconciliation side, I'm just going to open up my reconcile bank statement window and click on transactions. So on the select bank transactions window, sort by type is the default, but if you click on the drop down, there, in addition to by type, by date, there's a new sorting option by payment, by deposit. And the same ascending or descending is available as well. And finally, I'd like to show you the additional features added to workflow. These are new reminder emails, how to copy workflow steps, and reporting for workflow. I'm going to start with reminder emails. I'm just going to open up the workflow maintenance, and I will just open up my purchase order approval workflow. For my PO approval workflow, I'm just going to open up my first step, which is PO approval 5K. That's just the name of the step. On the bottom screen, I have assigned this approval workflow to Linda, and she has 8 hours to complete the task of approving after it's been submitted to her. So there is a new field called reminder. So this means that a reminder email will be sent to Linda's email account 4 hours before the due date of this workflow. This just allow the ability to remind the approvers that they have a task pending. The second feature that I'd like to show you is the ability to copy a workflow step. So let's say we have several steps that needs to be included in this workflow. I can click on this copy button and I can rename the step. So let's say I'm going to create a new step for 10,000 and up. So I'll just call it PO approval 10K. You could also, if your PO approval step or workflow step has sub-steps, you can also include sub-steps. And you click the copy button, and that will just show as an additional step on your workflow. And the last feature is the new workflow history report. I'm just going to navigate to administration. Under reports, company, there's a report option called workflow history. I'll just pull up the demo option that I have here. I've already set something up for my workflow approval for general ledger account approval, which is another new addition to the workflow maintenance. And I will just print this report. So the report will look like this. It will show you the details for what has been submitted. So I had tried to submit an account number, a new account number in the GL, and it's been approved, and it will also show the comments from the different approvers. I hope you enjoyed this quick presentation. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions at support@theknastergroup.com, and watch out for more upcoming new feature series for GP 2018. Thank you.